Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. Today we are going to see how to create an Arduino circuit in Tinkercad. For that, you have to go to the web browser and enter the Tinkercad. Paste the Tinkercad. So for that, you have to enter into the web page. Before moving into the electronic circuit, you have to sign up the web page. So go to sign up. You can create your personal account using this. You can sign up with Google, Apple, Microsoft and Facebook. So I use my Google account for signing. Just continue. Then it will automatically sign in into the Tinkercad web page. So we can create 3D designs and circuit designs and code blocks here. So our motive is the circuit design. So go to create and click circuits. So here is the components that we have used here. So you can access different lot of components here. So here general components, inputs, outputs, power, breadboards, microcontrollers, instruments, integrated circuits, power control, connectors, logic. So you can use this kind of electronics tools for your design. So I use Arduino Uno board. So I am going to create a LED blinking circuit. So for that I have to take a LED. Okay, I need a resistor. So select this one. You can easily connect the circuit. Just click and connect. And it will goes to ground. Can align vertically this. So after creating the circuit, you have to create a code for this. We can create the code here for microcontroller. So click the code button. So here is the start behavior of the circuit. Then the forever means we can use the circuit to loop condition. So for that before we can remove this one. So we have to blink this LED for 1 second high and 1 second low. For that you have to take these set pins. Before that you can get the blocks, code blocks here, output, input and others also. Here is the control. Get this to forever because we need to blink this circuit continuously. So I need to go to the forever block. Then I get another one for low. So our pin is 2, so set the pin here as 2, here also. One is high, one is low. That means high means if LED will glow, low means LED will off. So we have to set the time in between those two conditions. So for that you have to go to control, then you can get the wait. This means it will wait for some times. For that it means second. Wait mean one, that means 1 second wait. This also mean 1 second wait. So LED will glow 1 second, then after 1 second, then glow, after 1 second, then glow. So likewise it will loop here. So we can simulate from here. So when we simulate using this, so here it's on, then off, on, off, on, off. It will create like this. It will blinking up to 1 second. So stop simulation. So if you want to glow in the starting condition to continuously glow for 5 seconds, you can use this pin into the start. It will only working in the start condition. So set the pin to 2 high. Then you have to set some time for that starting condition. So for that you have to go to the control and get the wait blocks, then set to 5 seconds. After changing this, then you have to start simulation. So it's glowing for 5 seconds. Just see that it will blinking continuously. So this is not a code, this is just a code blocks. You can create the code from these code blocks. For that you have to stop the simulation. Then this is the download code button. If you click that one, it will directly download your code in Arduino IDE. So try to do this. So it will download it. So open folder, click. So here this is the code for your circuit. So likewise you can get the code from the Tinkercad. So this is the way to create the Arduino circuits in Tinkercad. We will see more videos about Arduino circuit. We will see later. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.